Yo, what's going on YouTube?
Ow!
IDK episode 3. As you can see by the title, we're baking cookies. So
no, they're not cookies, they're cupcakes.
Oh.
Ain't nobody really fucking with me like they always saying. All these people hit me up, but I know that they be fake. Gonna grab the lawnmower from me.
1 cup of water.
1 cup of water, y'all boys.
Well, let me put in the...
Yeah, the mix first. Really,
I mean, you can do it either way,
No.
but...
You put the mix in first. Put dry stuff in first. Cheat. Oh man. Preheat the oven, 350. This is heating up right now, y'all boys.
Wait, not yet.
Next caller! Next caller!
Egg number 1. Trash. Egg number 2. Trash. Stop making this. Egg number 3.
And then we mix, friends.
We're baking 24 cupcakes. So it's been like an hour. Cupcakes came out. We got this little B-roll of that. You guys already saw that. We had to put some ice on it. We made hamburgers. We ate that while these cooled, so we could put icing on it. So we want to put icing on it. Like I said, icing, nice. Ooh, put it on there nice and slow. Put it on me. Alright y'all, so we made the cupcakes. Cupcakes, well, we didn't frost all of them. As you guys can see, we got 10 frosted right here, 10 non-frosted right there. We got ketchup right there, A1 sauce, in case anyone wants any of that with the cupcakes. So now we're about to try them for you guys. Oh, they smell good. They smell good.
Oh, they're nice and warm.
Oh yeah. Are they really?
At the bottom. I'm waiting for you.
That's good. I don't like the hard out sprinkles. I don't like them. But the frosting's not even that bad. I like it. Alright, y'all. That's this episode of In the Kitchen. IDK. Till next time, you don't know what we'll be cooking, but we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.